anyway, we're going to go through that. Again, that is how hard is it to make money on Upwork if I am from a developing nation? Now, listen to me clearly. Yes, I am not in a developing nation. I'm in a definitely developed nation, as this is Miami. But it doesn't matter. I've been in all sorts of different conditions in different areas of the world, trains, weird cafes, beaches. It doesn't matter at all where you are on this planet, so long as you have power and internet. Remember, it's like like earth and water was the big thing, right? Back in the day. No, it's power and internet. Like, if you have those two things, it doesn't matter if you're in a developed nation or an undeveloped nation, as long as the undeveloped nation has internet and power, right? Like, those are the requirements. Hopefully you also have water, right? Because obviously that's more important, and food. But this could certainly help generate dollars to help you buy both of those things. So it doesn't matter where you are in this world as long as you have those two things. So yeah, I would say, if you're thinking about getting on board and going that route, then absolutely, nothing should prevent you from getting on there. I would try and focus on English speaking only, like kind of direction, because that's where most of the work is that's I think the most jobs are coming down the pipe in English. So I think the more you can do that right now, the higher your chances of finding applicable work. So just, get on there. If you haven't seen like how to make profiles and do that stuff, I would, there's plenty of videos. I have videos, so check that out and don't hesitate. Hopefully that answers that question. Good luck. Bye-bye.